What's up? Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Nolokori. Guys, I'm so happy, I'm so excited, and it is all thanks to each and every one of you who has subscribed to my channel. We are finally celebrating 1,000 subscribers. Yay! I feel like jumping. Oh, if I could dance, I was gonna dance for you guys just to say thank you. But thank you very much. Thank you. So today we are talking to the business owners, or those who are thinking of getting into business and start doing some side hustling, some businesses. It doesn't matter what category of business you are, as long as you want to have a business of your own, a side hustle of your own, and start making some money. Because let's be realistic, the real reason of starting businesses is to be successful and have money, even if it doesn't make you millions of rands or millions of dollars or anything, but you just want to be able to have that extra income and grow. That side hustle will turn into a small business, and one day it's going to be this huge empire that your kids are going to inherit. So, but before we get to that, if you're watching this, yes, you, and you have not subscribed, could you please kindly press the subscribe button and join the Nolokori family so that we can all educate each other, we can grow together, we can advise each other. So now let's get down to the business of the day, okay? Business of the day today is, we know that when you start a side hustle, or when you start a business in general, let me stop saying side hustle, small business, or what, just a business. We all know it's because you want to make some extra moolah, kaching. Though people will be saying, no, it's not because of money, but we all know. The main objective, the main goal of starting a business, any kind of business, is to have money, is to make extra cash. But you cannot do that without customers, right? Because you'll need to sell your product to people, you'll need to sell your services to people. And sometimes people's businesses don't grow or don't get to the point that they hoped it will, not because they don't know what they're doing, not because they are not good at what they're doing, but because of the marketing, because when there are no customers, there's no business. Business needs customers. But how do you get us to come support you? How do you get us to come love your business and start spending our money there? And I find that many people struggle with marketing, advertising their businesses. It is very difficult for many people. Why am I shouting? Am I shouting? No, I'm not. So you need to attract more customers, because all that money is coming from the customers. So before we even get into that, if you are still watching and have not subscribed, come on man, please subscribe. Let me give you a moment and please subscribe so that we can get into the strategies that you're gonna use to build your business, for your business to grow, for more customers to come to you, for people to know you, so that you can show them the great stuff that you're doing, so that you can show them the great value for their money. So please subscribe. So let's get down to the strategies that you can use to attract more and more customers to your business. Top of the list, I have word of mouth for you. Yes, I know people might think it's outdated and everything, but anything that works can never be outdated. It can never be outdated. Just imagine. No, if something works, we keep on using it, and if there's a way we can improve it, we improve it and keep on working with it. Yes, word of mouth. All you can do is to tell your friends, to tell their friends, to tell your family, to tell their friends and their other families and everything about your business, about the services that you're offering, about the product that you are selling. You ask your clients, the clients that you have, to tell every time someone buys or asks for your services, ask them to tell someone else about your business. Please request this. Always make sure that you ask people to tell other people. The more people tell other people and recommend your business to other people, the more you get new customers in, and then becoming with referrals that so and so asked, told me about your business, those kind of things. Because I know whenever I need certain services or I need a certain product, the first people that I ask are my cousins, are my friends. Don't you know anyone who does this? Don't don't you know anyone who does this? And I know that if someone that I look up to, or someone that I respect, or someone that I love, recommends something, and I'm definitely gonna go buy it, because I trust them. I trust that they've used it, and I trust their judgment. And of course, the quality of the service and the customer care that I'll be receiving from your business would make me to wanna come back. So please do try the word of mouth. Do not be shy to ask people to help you out, to tell other people, even if they do not need your product. Sometimes people around us are not our clientele, but tell them to tell someone that they know who might require those kind of services to come to you. So do that so that you can have more customers. Another thing that you can do is to offer free stuff. So please, before you even tell me of why would I want to be offering free stuff, I'm not trying to sabotage my business, but I'm trying to grow it. I do get that. I totally do get that. But to grow and to attract more people, sometimes do offer free stuff, especially to people who don't even know your business. Because sometimes some people, it's hard to convince them without even giving them, samples to try out, or, giving them free services so that they can see that indeed you have a great quality, service. You've got this great product, and you're doing, great stuff. Sometimes you need to just offer free service so that you can just have exposure. You can give them exposure into your business so that they can know that even when they are to come back to spend their money is worth to be spent on you. Because I'm sure you have a business that you're working so hard, you're making, you're trying so hard to make sure that you offer people value for their money. You make sure that whatever they pay, they spend into your business, it's really, really worth the money. So please do once in a while offer free stuff as a way to get more and more customers. Eventually it's gonna be to a point whereby you're gonna need to stop doing free stuff and everything. But once you've built some sort of a clientele, that regular customers, huge number of people that follow your business, that support you and everything, of course you won't have to do this. But if you are just a startup, for people to know you and to know your product and whatever it is that you're offering, you'd have to sometimes offer free stuff. The thing that you can do is to once in a while run discounts and specials and everything. I mean, we know we love free stuff, and we also love discounts and everything. So once you give discounts once in a while, we're gonna come to your business more and more regularly, and we'll always come to check up on if you've got special running. And once I know there's a special of something that's very, very essential, of course I'm gonna tell other people that Nolokhlori is running a special on this and this and this and this, and we're gonna come buy in bulk. We're gonna come ask for your services regularly. If it's a service we know that once in a while you do offer discounts, even the days that you don't offer discounts, we don't even complain about your product. Okay, so please do consider running specials and products once in a while. Let me ask you a question. Are you on social media? Well, I like to think you are on social media, and that's another strategy that you can use social media to advertise your business. I know now there are a lot of social media platforms out there and everything. Just use each and every single one of them, okay, to advertise your business. I know Facebook has more people using Facebook. There are a lot of people that use Facebook than these other social medias. So make sure that you advertise your product on Facebook, you advertise on Instagram, you advertise on Twitter. Advertise everywhere. Join groups, relevant groups to the service or the product that you are selling. Enter those groups and advertise. Some groups on Facebook, they'll be saying mention your business so that we can know what you're doing, so that we can support you. Do always participate in those, so that people around you, sometimes it's not even people around you only, some services even that you can even deliver or do them around the whole country. So do that. Always do not shy away from advertising your business. Okay, mention your business, leave your business, type your business wherever you can. So always mention your business. And another thing is YouTube. I think nowadays many of us watch YouTube than TV. I know I am. I'm also on YouTube. I'm watching YouTubers and everything. Sometimes some YouTubers, you see them advertising certain product and everything, and we go by just because someone that we follow on YouTube, is doing that. So do advertise your product on each and every platform that there is out there, so that you can get more and more and more exposure. All right, sometimes it takes money to make money. Okay, what I want to talk about now is, if you are starting out in everything, you don't have much money and everything, you just need to find money somewhere, somehow, to print flyers. Get a professional, someone who can design you nice flyers about your business, about your product or your services. Print flyers, print lots and lots of flyers, and one day just wake up and start distributing those flyers. Go to taxi rank, go to malls, go to people's homes, just go everywhere where you can. Print lots and lots and lots of flyers. Put posters around your town, around your area, wherever you are staying, in the local shops, local garages, everywhere, just where people are going to see it. But make sure that you get someone who's professional to design it nicely for you. These people who are design, they're not very much expensive. I know that the person that I use mostly to design most of my stuff, just like that poster back, at the back there, the lady that designed it for me, it was 150. Yeah, so it's not a lot of money. So do that and start printing and distribute into the offices, into the municipal buildings, government buildings. Hey, anyway where you can, that can say hi. Do you mind if I can leave, these flyers on the reception? Some people are kind enough to say okay, though some people might not agree, but do that in the parking lot. Give people and never be shy. Lastly, the tip that I have for you, that I know it will really, really, really make people to know you and to know your business, is to get involved in voluntary works. Yeah, sometimes maybe it's at church, or maybe it's around the community, or someone is doing an event or something. Do ask them that, can I come do this service for you for free? Can I offer you this service and products for you for free? And do sponsorship and do voluntary works and everything, because that's an opportunity for people to know your product. That's an opportunity for people to know what you're offering, and just ask for acknowledgement. Usually with the voluntary works and everything, the host will always, someone who has asked, maybe it's a fundraise or something, the person that is organizing all those kind of things, they usually come and acknowledge those people that had helped them into making their events or whatever it is that they're doing a success. Whether it's in a local school, when it's an event where parents will be available and stuff, church, community, anywhere where there's a chance for you to can offer your services for free, in a form of volunteering. Firstly, it shows how kind-hearted you are, and secondly, it lets people know about your business, and of which it's a good thing. You're doing a good thing for people out there at the very same time advertising your product. And you know what they say, the hand that gives is the hand that received. So guys, I really hope these strategies that I spoke of, they gonna help you. And yes, let's talk in the comment section on how you are growing your business, on how you are attracting more customers. Maybe you have more other working strategies than what I have used, or what I use, or what I know. So please do leave your comment down there. Guys, please follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook. I'll leave the links in the description box down there. Please do follow me and let's talk, let's engage. I love you so much, and thank you. Bye bye.